Supplement queen in the house. So Bulk Supplements has literally everything. And today we're gonna make some nutrient dense super balls. Stevia extract makes everything taste good. So necessity, spirulina. Hemp protein is a complete protein, all essential amino acids. Amazing. Juniper berry. Gamma, good for the brain. A little NAC, which is great for supporting the liver and detox. Big old mix of moringa, barley grass juice powder, and wheatgrass. Chia seeds. Clove and ginger. Coconut oil. Some squished up berries. And some lime juice. A little bit of filtered water. Stir it until it becomes like a paste. Then squish them into little balls. I already ate one. It was going to be a heart. Then you can pop them in the fridge or just eat them. Super good.